Alright guys, what's up? So we're back with the little mini bike. It's as you can tell, it's redone. We did some stuff to it. So now we painted the bike, we took it all apart. We added front forks on it. We added some suspension from Go Power Sports. We added their universal mini bike one. And then what we did was we added some pit bike handlebars, grips, a new throttle, risers, and it's just a whole lot better now. Now it has suspension, which is cool because, you know, these straight framed mini bikes, they ain't got no suspension. Yeah, I haven't ridden the mini bike in a while. Haven't done any videos either. I've been too busy putting it together and stuff. And I had recorded me putting it together and, you know, the process and stuff like that. And it sucks because it ended up losing the footage. I don't know what happened with my GoPro, but it wasn't like recording when I had it. So that's unfortunate. Still feels better than ever. Yeah, so yeah, we got a lot done in that time. We did a lot. We repainted it, did a lot of stuff to it. It's totally like a different mini bike now. Feels way different too, in a better way. Only thing I need is I want to get a new seat because the seat I have has a little tear in it. So I reached out to some people down in LA, see if I saw they sell mini bike seats for these style mini bikes. So I had reached out to them and they haven't got back to me, so we'll see. And that'll just complete this bike and stuff like that, look wise. Still quick as hell, still wheelies by just giving the gas. But I want to change the gearing on it, but it's kind of hard to find the sprockets for the rear unless I change to like the split sprockets. But I don't really want split sprockets, so what I might do is I might just change the clutch, since they come in different tooth settings. So like right now I have a I thought I was gonna make it. It's too soft. Right now I have, I believe, a 12 tooth on it, and 12 in the front, which is pretty short. So I want to do I saw they have the 14. I'm thinking of buying a couple clutches just to try different setups. But I want to try a 14 and the 16 and see which one I like more, see what kind of throttle we get out of it, stuff like that. So let me show you guys the mini bike real quick before I get it all dirty. Yeah, check it out, you guys. So it's way different now. It looks totally way better. So yeah, here it is. you know, the motor, you guys already know the setup. And I painted the little fan for the pull starter. I painted that to match the wheels. I also did some splatter paint on the wheels of the paint of the frame. Like I said, we did the Go Power Sports front end. We did that, and then we had to do some modifications for that. So we drilled the holes out to make it fit the 5/8 because it's set up for like the smaller bolts. And then, you know, we painted our frame. So the frame is ruby red metallic. Actually, no, sorry, there's not ruby red. It was gonna be ruby red. We ended up doing pearlescent plum, which if you see my other little shorts, you see the color, the metallic and stuff like that. But yeah, this is what we did. This is how it looks now. Like I said, it's totally a different bike. Runs way better. You know, I still have a little bit of carb tuning to do, but you know, that's the least of it. You know, it's pretty, it's almost there. It's just I gotta play with it a little more on the Pilot Jet. So yeah, other than that, I mean, it's good. It's idling pretty, I have the idle set pretty low at 1140, so it's almost 1200 RPM, so it's pretty low. But it runs fine, it don't die out, nothing. But yeah, tell me guys what you guys think. The only thing, like I said, I wanted to get a new seat because I didn't like this. You know, it's ripped and stuff. It's an old seat already. You know, they're old bikes. So, but yeah, what you guys think? No, I think it's pretty little sick setup, you know, what we built here. Considering what it was, how it used to look. You know, it looked pretty crazy. So, you know, it wasn't that as crazy. It's just, you know what I mean? It's just the old style. And yeah. So let's do a couple little pulls on it. Let's do a couple little cruises. And yeah, I appreciate you guys always for watching. We're almost to 1,000 subs. So, you know, I hope you guys, we can get there, you know, and get past that and get further. But that's our first little milestone, is 1,000. And yeah, we're almost there. So let's go for some more rides. Like right now, we're just, you know, cruising it, 2,000 RPMs. Feels so much better with these style of bars. It's like literally, if I knew how to wheelie, this thing would be perfect for wheelies. But you know, I never really was able to do the wheelie thing. But I mean, I can lift it up, but I'm not good at the balancing and stuff. But yeah, it'd be a pretty sick little wheelie bike, I'll tell you that. But these forks, I'm telling you, man, these forks are awesome. It's what it is right here, these forks. You can't go wrong with these. I love these right here. Like, it was the best thing ever, other than it sets it off for a whole different look and a different style, you know, because that's what I like to do. If you guys watch my other builds, I always do something, you know, that's a little different than, you know, other bikes and stuff like that. And you know, it was the best thing I did. I had to do a couple modifications, but it wasn't too bad. You know, I'll definitely do it again. Yeah, so let's go find us a canal. Go do some hauling ass through the canal. It's crazy how fast this bike is. Like, when I let people ride it, I know there's faster bikes out there, stuff like that, but this bike, for what it is and the acceleration that it has, it's like insane. It's small, but it's so quick. It gets up to 50 miles an hour so quick. It is wild how fast it does that. With no bob, no nothing. It just goes. This thing just moves. It's crazy how fast this is. Let's go through here. Let's check it out. Ooh, this thing scoots. Whew. Like I said, this bike will wheelie at any RPM. And what helps it too is these little small tires. So these little small tires will, you know, help tear through the dirt or street, whatever we're doing. So it's a quick bike. This is actually the first ride too since we put it back together. So holy dang, that is crazy. It literally did, I mean, you guys couldn't see that, but it literally, when I blimped on the throttle, it literally did a rolling burnout. That's crazy. It's a lot of torque. These little motors are surprising. Whew. Oh. And then I have, you know, of course, like my little slicks and stuff like that. And then I also have a 6-inch wheel setup as well. So like right now I'm running a 5-inch wheel setup, so it's 5-inch rims. But I have a 6s at home. I have a used set of 6s that, you know, I can put on if I want to go a little bigger. But I really like the 5s. I don't know if I might just save the 6s for another mini bike or something, but the 5s on this one I think is perfect. And then, like I said, just change the gearing a little bit so I have a little more top end, just so I'm not always all revved out all the time. Like right now this thing's built for acceleration. Like, I mean, 50 miles an hour is fast, but it's really built for, you know what I mean, it goes. I don't know if that's what I love about it, because it gets so swirly or what, but yeah, it'd be nice to have a little more cruising power, so where I could just cruise it and not really be so into the RPMs. Let's get up on this road. Like, I'd like to cruise like around here, like, you know what I mean, like this speed, but my RPM's already, you know, really high. Like the throttle's so touchy when I'm already at that RPM. So I'd like to have a little more speed than RPMs. We let this car pass me up, because this car's be crazy. Can't trust the cars. I see a lot of accidents where these people be running people over and stuff like that, and it's not worth it. Alright, let's do a little quick little pull. I know a lot of you guys always tell me that you like the pulls, so here we go. Dead stop. Ready? Holy shit. Alright, you guys, so as always, you know, I appreciate the support. Thanks for watching. Thanks for everything. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Let me know what you guys think of the little bike. You know, write down in the comments if you guys like it or what you like about it and stuff like that. Alright guys, till the next one. See ya.